To solve this problem, we need to go through each of the problems and put in that n variable to see if we can find the answer. Now it tells us that the answer we're looking for, it's wanting an expression that simplifies to 35. So that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to start with A. There, now you can see it. Our expression is n divided by 2 plus 20. Then I have 4 different variables. So I'm going to start with 2. I have my 2 and I'm going to put it right into my expression where that n is. So I have 2 divided by 2 plus 20. Well, my first step, I don't have any parentheses, so I'm going to go right to the division. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I have 1 plus 20. That's 21. That one doesn't work, it's not 35. So now I'm going to do n equals 10. So I put that 10 in where my n is, and I have 10 divided by 2. I have 5, so then I have 5 plus 20, and that simplifies to 25. That's not the answer we're looking for either. So now I'm going to try 6. I put 6 in where that n is, so I have 6 divided by 2 plus 20. I do my division first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now I can do my addition. I have 3 plus 20, 23. That doesn't work, it's not 35. So now I have 20. Now you can see how I simplified it. I did my division first, which got me 20 divided by 2 is 10. I added 10 plus 20, and that is 30. I'm getting closer, but I still don't have the right answer. Okay, I've gone through all of the A expressions, so now I'm going to start with B's. I have 5 plus n times 3. So I'm going to, again, start with n equals 2. So I put 2 in where n would be. So I have 5 plus 2 times 3. Now I go back to my order of operation rules. My first step is parentheses. I don't have any parentheses, so I can start on my multiplication or division. So I do have multiplication, so I'm going to start with that. So I have 2 times 3. When I do that step, I have 5 plus 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. Now I can simplify all the way down to one number by adding 5 plus 6. That gets me 11. Not 35, so I need to keep going. Next, I want to try n. I put 10 in where n was. So that gives me the expression 5 plus 10 times 3. No parentheses again, so I move to my multiplication, which is 10 times 3. When I do that, now I have 5 plus 30. When I add down to my last expression, I can simplify it to 35. This is my answer. Because of how my problem was worded, I know that I only have one choice. There wasn't going to be more than one. So I'm finished, and I can select this equation where n was replaced with 10, and that would be my answer.